So today we will be solving the Mastermorphix, also called the Mastermorphix. It's a 3x3 variation. It looks like a pyramid. It's not directly related to pyramids. It's a 3x3 variation with this corner being the center. Here's the edge pieces and these triangles being the corners. So we'll be using a 3x3 strategy for this, layer by layer. So let's get solved. So here is our scrambled Mastermorphix. It does not look like a triangle now. So what we're gonna do is, as in normal 3x3, you've got the top face first. So let's just take the light colors, so green and yellow. Any one could be the top face, but these are the brightest colors. And we had to make a cross first. So we couldn't just directly make a cross because the side faces, they also have orientation issues. So let's first get them all in the correct orientation. So like here's yellow, here's yellow, here's yellow. And then back here we need green to match with this group. Wait, no, these are blue. As I was saying, this blue to match with this blue, and this green to match with this green. And here, green, green. Alright, so those are the four faces. Now we just have to get the edges to match. So as these are our centers, these pieces will be our edge pieces. So we have to rotate this one up here, but that will mess up this center. So we first move out of the way, rotate the center a little bit, should be twice. Then as you can see, this center will align together, then we can move back up. Alright, same with this one. So we got edge piece over here, so move out of the way. Alright, make these two align and flip it up. There we go. Alright, now we just have to hunt for yellows. I see a yellow over here. It would fit over here. Move away. Rotate this down. This fits. And pull up. We need one more yellow. It's over here. We first move it to the bottom layer. Rotate this around and spin it up. Here we go. Now we have to find the corners. So one of these, I believe this is one, blue, red. I don't see a blue, red. We need yellow, green, something. So that's probably incorrect. That's probably at the center. But hey, there's a green triangle over here. The green triangle goes in here. So bring it down and replace, or use an algorithm. Simple bring it down and replace should be enough. Alright. So it means it has to be these ones. So let's bring this down. Okay, so this here is blue. So it should go here because here is the blue side. So shift it out the way and replace so it's yellow, yellow, and then move back up. Right, and here we have green, yellow, red. So over here. Let's just shift this way, so move out of the way. Green, green, and then up. Alright, we've got our first layer complete. For the middle layer, we do just as a 3x3. So this screen fits into here. You could check by rotating it like this. As you can see, this does not line up, but over here it does. So use the algorithm for inserting it into the piece, I guess. Any 3x3 algorithm will work. So this fits in like that. So you could see the algorithm I'm using on screen. You don't have to use this one, it's just the one that I'm showing. So we need blue. We have a choice of 3 blues. So this might affect what happens later, but for right now, let's just pick this one. Right, as you can see, 2 layers are complete. The final layer is the trickiest part. So, right now we have a favorable situation in which the corners are in the correct positions. So they're just in the wrong orientation. This needs to flip this way. So this seems to be the fish pattern from the 3x3. So if we will just do this algorithm, right, and again, all right. So now we have to check whether or not this cube is solved though. So as you can see, we have to check the rotations of the edges. So if we bring this over here, we bring this over here, and we bring that over there, I'd say it's solvable. So you'll notice that the centerpiece is in the incorrect orientation. It needs to be flipped 180 degrees. So we do this algorithm. And as you can see, it flips this to the right way around. So now this has to turn anti-clockwise. So we keep this the same. This algorithm, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. In most other times, the ending will be more complicated, say the least. So that's when it's a little bit different. So first of all, let's check here. So this is unsolvable. If you put this red over here, this blue will be here, and it will be the wrong direction. So this is like the hook and the bar in the 3x3. So we use the same algorithms to fix the edges. So in this case, we see that we keep the same. This could rotate here correctly. This could rotate here correctly. So it can't be here. And then we keep this the same. This here rotates correctly. This here rotates correct. This here rotates incorrectly. Right, so this is probably a bar. So let's attempt it. Right, now let's see here. This is the wrong way around. But this is close being solved. So let's try the bar algorithm again. So and hey, it's solved. Right, now we have to attempt to fix the corners. So as you can see, this corner has to go over here, this corner has to go here, and this corner has to go here in a counterclockwise direction. So we use this algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the corners are in the correct places now. All we have to do is reorient them. So this algorithm. Right. Now, as you can see, this is wrong direction, so I think I made a mistake here. Right, now it's the correct direction, so let's fix the edges. The lighting's really fuzzy right now. I'll fix that later. Right. And there you go, solved. Alright, now you know how to solve the Mastermorphix, and go check out my other videos. Goodbye.